You should bet on me. Like I'm Apple in the 90s, you should bet on me. Gonna wanna get behind me like I'm 23. Before Mikey was on Nikes, you should bet on me. Run like a stallion, chase your legacy. Bet on me. Keep it 1,000, self-made with no pedigree. Let them see you smiling on the front pages. Mama, I made it, look at me. Smiling cause it's contagious. Do it for the haters, make them lose sleep. You should bet on me. Like I'm Apple in the 90s, you should bet on me. Gonna wanna get behind me like I'm 23. Before Mikey was on Nikes, you should bet on me. You should bet on me. Like I'm Leon in the 80s, double on me. It ain't have to be debated, I'm a certainty. You can't get these odds in Vegas, baby. Bet on me.
Roll the desire, lucky 7. If not, I bet I roll 11. Hold me to my goals, I know I told my brethren. We won't lead it surfing till the turf is proud and hot like Kevin. I'm close to God like Reverend. Oh, I done learned all of my lessons. Betting on me is investment. Been in the rules like Inception. I ain't just give me that protection. Like Amazon in 2009, you get exponential, it's a wrestling. Like Peloton, you can spin around without going nowhere, but
you should bet on me. Like I'm Apple in the 90s, you should bet on me. Gonna wanna get behind me like I'm 23. Before Mikey was on Nikes, you should bet on me.